Hello, and welcome back to English Evolution Step 1. Improve your English speaking skills with 6 most common dialogues in English. Number 1. Booking a flight. Good morning. I'd like to book a flight to Paris. Certainly. When would you like to depart? I'm planning to leave on June 15th. Let me check the availability. Thanks, I am waiting for you. Yes, we have flights on that day. At what time should they depart? Would you prefer morning or evening? A morning flight would be perfect. Thank you, here you go. Number 2. Checking into a hotel. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Smith. Welcome, Mr. Smith. Could you please present your ID and credit card? Here they are. Thank you. You're in room 210. Enjoy your stay. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Number 3. Renting a car. Good morning. I'd like to rent a car for 2 days. Sure thing. What type of car are you interested in? Something economical, please. We have a compact car available. Would you like insurance coverage? Yes, please add full coverage. Okay, just a moment, please. Number 4. Late arrival. Good evening. I have a reservation, but I'm a bit late. The name is Johnson. No problem, Mr. Johnson. Let me check your reservation. Thank you for your kindness. Yes, here it is. You're in room 305. Is there room service available at this hour? Yes, room service is available 24/7. Number 5. Requesting information. Hi, I just checked in. Could you tell me where the gym is? Of course, the gym is on the 2nd floor. At what time does it open? It opens from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Great, thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy your workout. Number 6. Lost passport. Excuse me, I can't find my passport. I am sorry to hear that. What should I do? Don't worry. Please come with me to the Lost and Found office. Thank you so much, sir. You can report it and we'll assist you further. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share.